have a small front yard? Do you ever feel limited by its size, wishing it could match the elegance of your home's interior? Many homeowners see a compact space as a design obstacle, but in truth, it's a hidden opportunity waiting to be unlocked. Today, we're going to change how you see small space landscaping forever, because when done right, even the tiniest front yard can deliver the same level of luxury and grandeur as a mansion's entrance. Your front yard is more than just the space between your door and the street. It's your home's first impression, the grand opening statement of its story. The right entryway design has the power to elevate your entire home's presence. Through thoughtful landscaping, you can use features like elegant garden gates and sculptural arches to create a sense of definition, height, and refinement. These are not mere accessories, they're architectural punctuation marks that communicate luxury long before anyone steps inside. When proportion, texture, and balance come together, even a small front yard transforms into an extraordinary stage for beauty and welcome. This isn't just about beauty, it's about value. High-end landscaping consistently delivers one of the best returns on investment in residential design. A custom gate or well-placed arbor can elevate your home's curb appeal dramatically, signaling craftsmanship, permanence, and exclusivity. Buyers and visitors alike perceive these details as marks of prestige. When your entrance features quality materials and intentional structure, it whispers premium before a single word is spoken. In a competitive market, that whisper can add real, tangible value to your property. Why does a gate feel so powerful, even in a small space? It's all about psychology. A gate creates a transition, a threshold between the public world and your private sanctuary. That single moment of passing through a boundary engages the senses and changes the mood. Suddenly, you're no longer standing on a sidewalk, you're entering an experience. The front yard becomes a curated passage, intentional and exclusive. This sense of arrival gives your home an identity and depth that make even a small footprint feel expansive and meaningful. Let's start with timeless sophistication. A wrought iron gate remains the ultimate symbol of classic luxury. It speaks of heritage, craftsmanship, and permanence. In smaller spaces, you don't need a massive driveway gate. A pedestrian-sized version with intricate scrollwork or geometric precision does the job beautifully. Pair it with stone pillars or a low stucco wall for a refined frame. The weight, texture, and shadow play of wrought iron give your entryway an aura of quiet authority. It's the kind of detail that makes visitors slow down, admire, and remember. Luxury doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers in clean lines and quiet confidence. For contemporary homes, the magic lies in precision and materiality. Think of a sleek metal gate with horizontal wooden slats, perhaps oak or cedar, set in a powder-coated steel frame. Or imagine a single sheet of Corten steel that weathers into a warm, rustic patina. This modern approach to landscaping focuses on restraint, fewer details, more intention. The result is an entryway that feels architectural, sculptural, and deeply sophisticated. Wooden gates bring a warmth that no metal can replicate. For farmhouse, craftsman, or transitional homes, a solid hardwood gate, made from mahogany, teak, or cedar, can feel both luxurious and welcoming. Add stone or brick pillars for structure, or pair it with a crisp white fence for contrast. The beauty of wood lies in its tactile richness, the texture of the grain, the depth of the stain, and the soft natural aging over time. When designed well, a wooden gate doesn't just welcome guests, it embraces them. Now let's lift our gaze upward. In small front yards, garden arches are your secret weapon. They introduce vertical interest, guide the eye toward the home, and instantly add a sense of grandeur. A simple walkway can become a ceremonial approach, framed by an arch that signals beauty and intention. Whether crafted from wood, metal, or stone, arches connect architecture with nature. They turn your yard into a journey, one that leads not just to your door, but to a feeling of calm, arrival, and belonging. Few things capture timeless romance like a rose-draped arbor. Imagine stepping through a white wooden or black iron arch covered in pale pink climbing roses, their fragrance greeting you long before you reach the door. This classic idea remains powerful because it appeals to emotion as much as to aesthetics. It softens geometry with life and color, and with the right maintenance, it becomes more beautiful every season. A living sculpture that tells your home's story through growth and bloom. If roses aren't your style, try jasmine, wisteria, or even bougainvillea for regional variation. Each offers its own character and charm. luxury gate or arch cannot stand alone. It must be woven seamlessly into your landscaping design. That means harmony in materials, pathways, lighting, and planting. The textures, colors, and shapes must flow naturally from one feature to another. Upgrade your pathway with stone, bluestone, or antique brick. Add discreet lighting to highlight your gate, or the texture of a stone arch at night. Every small detail reinforces the story of refinement. Luxury isn't just in one feature, it's in the connection between them all. Integration creates rhythm, and rhythm creates beauty. Plants are the living fabric that ties your design together. The secret to luxury planting lies in contrast, structure against softness, repetition against freedom. Start with evergreen structure, low boxwood hedges, dwarf yews, or sculpted topiaries to define the path. Then soften the look with layers of perennials, white hydrangeas, lavender, or ornamental grasses that move gently with the wind. This balance of discipline and looseness creates visual harmony. It's how luxury gardens achieve that effortless, high-end feel, lush, composed, yet full of life. A small yard doesn't limit your potential, it magnifies your creativity by focusing on a few powerful elements. Like a luxury gate or a graceful garden arch, you can create an entryway that feels grand, timeless, and deeply personal. Your home's first impression is your signature. Make it memorable. Choose materials that speak of quality, plant thoughtfully, and let lighting elevate your design after dark. Because luxury isn't measured in square footage, it's measured in intention, balance, and emotion. I hope these luxury small front yard ideas have inspired you to reimagine your own space. Which design spoke to your heart? The minimalist gate or the romantic rose arbor? Let me know your dream entrance in the comments below. And if you love exploring high-end outdoor design, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more landscaping inspiration every week. Your dream yard is closer than you think. It starts right at your front gate.